Are you looking for the best solar CCTV systems? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best solar CCTV systems on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ZHXINSD 4MP Solar Wireless Security System. The ZHXINSD Solar Security System offers a completely wire-free setup, powered by solar energy, so you don't have to worry about electrical outlets or complicated wiring. This makes it perfect for remote spots like your garden or rooftop, saving you on energy bills while keeping your home safe all day and night. With its clear 4MP HD camera, you get sharp and detailed video footage, whether it's bright daylight or dark at night. The system also includes a 10-channel monitor that lets you connect up to 10 cameras, giving you flexibility to expand your security coverage. Plus, it supports both 5G and 2.4G Wi-Fi bands to ensure a strong and stable connection, even across larger areas. What we like: solar-powered wireless setup. 4MP HD day/night video. Supports up to 10 cameras. Dual-band 5G per 2.4G Wi-Fi. Number 2. CKKC 2022.5K Solar Wireless Security Camera System. The CKK Solar Security Cameras offer a reliable and convenient way to keep your property safe. Thanks to the built-in rechargeable battery and solar panel, you can enjoy up to 60 days of continuous use without worrying about power, making installation simple and wire-free. Its weatherproof design ensures the cameras work well even in harsh conditions, so you can trust it outdoors year-round. The 4MP HD resolution with enhanced color night vision lets you clearly see details both day and night. Plus, the 360 degrees pan and tilt feature allows you to view every angle remotely, while the two-way audio lets you communicate with visitors or intruders directly through the app for added security and convenience. What we like: long-lasting solar power, weatherproof design, high-definition color night vision, 360 degrees pan and tilt view, two-way audio communication. Number 3. Hiseeu 5MP Wireless Security Camera System with 500 GB HDD. The Hiseeu 5MP security system offers an expandable setup with up to 8 cameras, allowing you to customize your home security as needed. It comes with a 500 GB hard drive, so you can store plenty of footage without worrying about running out of space. The cameras provide clear 3MP HD video and are weatherproof, making them perfect for outdoor use in any condition. Plus, with motion detection and video playback features, you'll get instant alerts on your smartphone when activity is detected, helping you stay informed no matter where you are. This system also lets you watch live video remotely using your phone or computer, giving you peace of mind anytime, anywhere. What we like: expandable 8-channel system, 500 GB video storage, weatherproof HD cameras, motion detection alerts, remote live viewing. Number 4. ZHXINSD 4MP Solar Wireless Security Camera System with 10-inch monitor. The ZHXINSD Solar Security Cameras offer an easy setup with a 10-inch LCD monitor that comes pre-paired with up to 10 cameras, so you can start monitoring right away without needing internet. Its fully wireless design means no messy wires or complicated installation, and the adjustable solar panel ensures your cameras stay powered by sunlight all day long. With 4MP Full HD video and bright color night vision, you'll get clear footage even in the dark, thanks to a powerful spotlight and extra LEDs. Plus, the two-way audio lets you hear and speak through the cameras remotely, making it simple to stay connected and respond quickly when needed. What we like: plug-and-play monitor, wireless solar power, 4MP Full HD video, color night vision, two-way audio communication. Number 5. Tapo SolarCam C402 Outdoor Battery Camera. The Tapo SolarCam wireless camera offers a hassle-free security solution powered by solar energy, so you don't have to worry about running out of battery. Its solar panel keeps the camera charged, providing up to 6 months of power even without sunlight, making it great for continuous monitoring. Installation is simple and wire-free, allowing you to place the camera and solar panel wherever you need without being limited by outlets. You can also separate the camera and solar panel for the best positioning. Plus, it helps you focus on what matters by allowing you to set specific zones for motion or person detection, so you only get alerts when it counts. Lastly, it offers flexible storage options, letting you save footage locally with a microSD card or in the cloud, depending on your preference. What we like: solar-powered battery, wire-free, flexible installation, customizable activity zones, local and cloud storage.